To download our free Create and Print layout software, simply visit our website www.ormsprintroom.co.za. Click on the Photobooks tab and then click on Software. This will direct you to a page where you can fill in your details. If you have already registered, click on Subscribe and in the next window, click on the word Here to be directed to the download page. Select a download for Windows or Mac. Once your software is downloaded and installed, click on the Orms icon to launch your software. Click on Create New Project. It is important to note that your download is not a full version of the software, and we recommend updating your software before you start. To do the necessary updates, you need to be connected to the internet and click on Check for Updates. To qualify for the HD promotion, select Premium High Definition Photobooks by double-clicking on it. Select Landscape Photobooks. Select the A4 Landscape Personalized Hardcover or A4 Landscape Standard Hardcover. Please note, a personalized cover is designed with images and text, while a standard cover is selected from our range of cover materials with a choice of debossing and foiling. The promotion includes both options. In this video, we are selecting a personalized cover. You will now need to add the photos you are going to use in your book. You can add individual files or a folder. I am selecting a folder of images. Once you have added your images, click on Next and give your project a name. Click on Create and your design space will launch. Your project will open with 28 pages. The HD promotion offers an additional 20 pages for free. To insert your free pages, click on Page, Add Multiple. Select 20 pages and click on OK. You will now have 48 pages in your project. Please note you can add up to 100 pages in your book. Pages 29 to 48 will be for free. To create your cover, select the cover layout of your choice and drag and drop the layout onto the design space. Please note you can edit this template as you wish. You can now add your images by dragging and dropping them onto the layout. I'm going to turn off non-printable items by clicking View, Hide Non-Printable Items. If you would like to add text to your cover, simply add a text box and place in position. Double-click to add your text. Text editing and formatting options are available on the right-hand side tab in the software. For your pages, click and drag page styles and drag and drop them onto your images. To crop your images, simply double-click on them and adjust your preferred view. Once you have completed your photobook layout, you can preview your design by clicking the green Play button. When you are ready to place your order, click on the green shopping cart icon on the right. You will be prompted if there are any errors in your design. Once you are ready, click on Continue. You will need to save your last changes. Please ignore the pricing in this video, as it does not reflect the promo price. Click on Add to Cart and then Check Out Now. Accept the terms and conditions in order to proceed. Click on Start. You will now need to select Order Online. You will need to have an internet connection at this point. Click on Continue. Your browser will now launch with a Sign In screen. If you are a first-time user, create an account. Alternatively, enter your login details and click on Sign In. You are now in the shopping cart. You can select matte or gloss for your cover finish and have a choice of white or black end papers. There is a choice of luster or gloss paper for your pages. Click on Continue once you have chosen your finishes. Choose Store, Collection or Shipping. Shipping will be charged at an additional fee. When you have done this, click on Continue. You will now be able to confirm your order and make your secure online payment. Once payment is made, your order form will be completed. Please do not shut down your browser. You will need to still upload your file for printing. Click on Upload Order and Continue. Simply wait for all your files to upload. You will receive 2 confirmation emails from us, one for the order and one once we receive the print file. Your photo book will take approximately 10 working days to complete, and we will notify you as soon as it is ready for collection or to be couriered.